doesn't matter anyway. You will never understand it cause it happens too fast, and it feels so